HD's okay?
Alright, let's zoom out of here.
No. Bring it towards this way. Face it that way so it stays in.
Oh my god.
Because you are screwing up.
Because this tablet's too freaking big.
What? You can't hold it like this? Look, like this.
Oh, so
you can't hold it like this. You can't hold it like this?
I'm changing something. Dad, there's trees.
We're not right there, there ain't. Are you sure? How many feet are we?
115.
Shit. Let's get down to 75.
Dad, there's a pole near.
I see that pole.
Not that one. Like right there and right there.
Okay, here. Raise it up. Take a look, okay? Here, look. Take a look around. Ready? Look, where do you see a pole? Where do you see the pole? We're right in the middle of the fucking basketball
You're going like at 75 feet.
How HD is still good, right?
Yes.
75 feet right there. I wanted him to see it. He's looking now.
Oh, lower. I want to see him play.
That's it. No more. We ain't going no more. He's looking at it. Okay, let's go up. Go look around.
Wait, can I fly it?
We're not going to go any lower than that right there.
Can I fly it?
Let's go over here this way. Hold on. Let's see how far we can go.
Oh, is that frozen?
Why does it say HD 1 bar?
Is that frozen?
Oh, you mean the ice?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to go look at it?
Yeah.
Go look. Oh, we got another battery ready. Yeah, just look at our gauges there.
I want to see it.
Okay, look. No, starting to lose it right there. Signal's weak. Why does it say signal? I don't understand. The signal, HD signal's weak. I don't understand why there's the ice. It's like ice. Oh, we got to go up higher. That's why.
I don't see anything.
HD signal right there. That's ice right there.
How high are we? 400.
500 feet, right there.
Why
And
is
the
it so
signal,
blurry?
and the signal's strong.
Dad, don't forget. Why is this so bright? Turn
The sun's
it
hitting.
down.
Over neighborhood.
Yeah,
Now I can't see. Where'd you just do that? Where?
Oh, I want to say.
I don't understand where you just did that. Here, fly it. We're far. We're like a mile away. Stay high when you go far. Just think if we were in a day where we needed somebody to keep an eye on an aerial. We got a drone. Then we got guns.
What's that?
Your HD is like kind of low.
Is that a state trooper?
Where?
Right here.
Where? That's a car.
Oh, it looks like a state trooper. I hear it.
No, you don't.
Oh, there's a bird.
There it is. Yeah, there is a bird. We're still recording, right?
Yep. Let's go after that bird.
Go.
We'll try to get.
He's down. Go down more.
I am.
You just fucking lost him.
Nope. Oh, there's two.
Don't go too low. That's a seagull.
Nope. No.